This cannot keep happening. As a member of parliament, I'm very upset about it. This cannot keep happening in Southeast St. Mary.
This is some of the problem we face along the junction road by the irresponsible operators who are on the road. We pave this corner here that has been in disrepair for so long, and we pave this corner here Sunday night. And by the same Sunday night or Monday, a tractor drove on the just finished asphalted area, and look at it. Dig up all of the area back. Dig it all around, all right around, to put the area back in the same situation as it was in before. I mean, this is so irresponsible of this person, and therefore it creates this problem where taxpayers' money have to be used repeatedly to fix the same area. This is a disgrace.